Hi YouTube, welcome to today's episode. The market is in free fall today. We're going to be looking at Tesla, who is possibly going down to the 800 to 780 level. We're going to look at Bitcoin at the probably 42 to 44,000 level. We're going to be managing our NIO position, and we are going to look at the nice setup that we have in IPOE. Welcome to my channel, where you learn how to grow your assets by trading, investing in real estate, and managing your debt. Remember, all of this is for educational purposes. I am not giving you financial or trading advice. My purpose is for you to learn how to do these things so that you can make the decisions on your own. Now, jumping to the analysis for today. So you can see Tesla is on free fall today. Same as the market, we are down almost 5%, Bitcoin down almost 5.5%. Everything is in the red today. So let's try to analyze these charts to see where the price is possibly going and where we have the best entry points as soon as we get confirmation. So Tesla, and going down, this is the first level that we get here. So this one is around the 800 area, and the next one that we have is this one right here around the 780 area. So these are the two levels, is where the price came down in the previous days. So possibly we're going to come back to these levels to test them as support, and then we're going to look at possible entry points if price starts to rebound from these levels. So Bitcoin, let's take Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, seems like we did a really good job managing our trade here. If you go and look at the previous episodes that I posted, I exited most of my position around the 46,000 area, so right before this sideways action and then before it came down. Again, what I'm doing all the time that I'm analyzing this one is I'm waiting for price to go up, go down, and then test it. This is when I enter the trade. This is when I exit this one, and now we have price that is retracing to the previous levels. Previous levels that can be tested. So then if I take my Fibonacci and I'm going to draw it for you guys so you can see how I'm doing these ones. So getting this one here from the top to the previous low. So you are going to see that this area is very important. So the 44,000 area is very important for Bitcoin. This can be a really good point of support. If not that one, then possibly the 42,000 area around here. We are going to wait for the same pattern that we waited last time. So price to go down to test this one, and support it goes up to give us confirmation, and then we're going to be entering trades somewhere around here. Okay. So on wait mode on Bitcoin also, but possibly a very nice trade. Looking at NIO, so NIO, I enter the position here, and now I have been taken out of my position in this one. I ended up doing possibly 2 to 3% on this trade. It went all the way to this level, but then it came back really hard today with the rest of the market, and my position was taken out. Possibly I'm going to be re-entering this trade, because on the long term, if I look at the analysis that we were doing on the daily chart, so the movement that happened before and that came down to test the 40 level, I'm still expecting it to go to the 80 to $85 area. So we still have a way to go here, but for the moment, since price couldn't break this support here, sorry, this resistance here, since price couldn't get above this line here, you guys can see it, how price has come up to this level. It went down, it came again, came down again. Possibly we're going to test it again, but for the moment I'm out in this position. We'll just wait for, again, the same pattern that happened before, go up, down, test it, and then go up. Something important, guys, that I haven't shared before is that when you're doing analysis in TradingView, you can either look at candles with extended hours or without the extended hours. This is the time frame outside the regular trading session. When you do this one, the moving average and the price that you see changes a lot because you have more or less information depending on which one you choose. I'm always looking at both of them, but most of my trading is happening on the extended hour chart because it is giving me much more information, and I can target my entry and my exit points better than this one. But it's good to look at both of them because they can give you nice reference points for where price can come down so that you look to enter trades. Finally, let's look at IPOE. So IPOE, same thing. If I look at the extended, you can see how we have a nice line of support right here, and we keep testing this one. We have been testing this one for pretty much the entire week. Price is going down, but it is consolidating here, and it also has a support here. All these are signs that price might go higher. So still very bullish on this one, just waiting for a good confirmation to possibly enter this trade. And that's it, guys. So again, you can see pretty much the entire market is on the reds today. It's possibly a day just to analyze your charts, get ready to see what are the next entry points, analyze some strategies, and if you guys want me to do any technical analysis on the stocks that you want to trade, please leave your comments below. I'll be happy to do them. And don't forget to subscribe and activate your notifications to get my videos as soon as I post them with my own trading and my own analysis. Thank you very much for joining. Bye.